our free enterprise system has been a bright beacon of freedom for the people of the world. It's signaled to oppressed people to rise up against their oppressors, and it's given hope to the once hopeless. It's called the free enterprise system because we are both free to engage in enterprise, and through those enterprises, we ensure our freedom. But sadly, it's become clear that this president simply doesn't understand or appreciate these fundamental truths of our economic system. Over the last 3.5 years, record numbers of Americans have lost their jobs or just disappeared from the workforce or can only find part-time jobs. Record numbers of Americans are now living in poverty. 46 million people in this country living below the poverty line. This is not just a failure of policy. It is a moral failure of tragic proportion. Our government has a moral commitment to help every American help himself, him and herself.